How to keep your black bathroom fixtures spotlessly clean. Dear friends, black bathroom fixtures add a touch of sophistication and drama to modern bathrooms, but keeping them spotless can be a challenge. Water spots, fingerprints, and mineral deposits can quickly mar their stunning appearance. This video offers proven strategies and daily practices to maintain the cluster and extend the longevity of your matte black taps, shower heads, and towel rails, ensuring they remain a standout feature in your home. Understanding your fixtures. Identify the finish. It is crucial to know whether your fixtures have a matte, glossy, or oil-rubbed finish, as each type requires specific care techniques to maintain its unique beauty. Establish a cleaning regimen. Daily maintenance. Gentle wipe down. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe fixtures after each use. This prevents the buildup of water spots and mineral deposits, keeping the fixtures pristine. Weekly deep clean. Mild soap solution. Mix gentle, pH-neutral soap with water. Apply the solution with a soft cloth, rinse thoroughly, and dry to avoid dulling the fixtures with soap residue. Steer clear of harsh chemicals. Avoid using bleach, ammonia, or acidic cleaners, which can damage the finish of your black fixtures. Opt for non-abrasive tools like soft cloths or sponges to prevent scratches. Combat water spots and fingerprints. DIY vinegar solution. For water spots, a mild solution of vinegar diluted with water can be effective. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area first. Microfiber cloths. Ideal for daily use, microfiber cloths prevent scratches while removing water droplets and fingerprints. Consult professionals for complex issues. For stubborn problems or to repair damage, seek the help of a professional to ensure your fixtures are treated with the best care and techniques available. Conclusion. With the right care, your chic black bathroom fixtures can maintain their allure and functionality. Regular, mindful cleaning and using appropriate products will keep them looking as luxurious as the day they were installed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.